To get the best out of your little warehouse management system, you will need some sort of barcode scanner. For GebWMS, initially I recommend to get a smartphone and an actual attachable barcode scanner. These are not too expensive, about $50. And when it comes to smartphones, go with a cheap Redmi Xiaomi A2 or A1. They'll be like an 80 to $100. So the total package is going to be around 130, 40 bucks. This is a Note series I got for demonstration purposes, but it doesn't really matter. What you really do is you just slap this on as a kind of attachment to the smartphone, and now you have a fully fledged barcode scanner. Okay, now I have a location code in front of me, so I'm going to log into GebWMS. You should have a nice screencast to your right, and now I'm going to find the location. To activate the barcode scanner, I got like 3 buttons over here, so I'm just gonna scan it, and there you go. These are the details of the location and the product that is in the location. So I'm gonna just look up the Nutella 350 for kids, and there you have it. I can obviously go further and take other actions, but as you can tell, nice and easy interaction, and that's what I really recommend for GebWMS, to get a very basic yet functional barcode scanner that doesn't cost an arm and a leg. However, if you feel like it and got the money, you can buy smartphones that have the barcode scanner installed as part of the phone. They will be a bit more expensive, or you can try the used item market for that. But that's up to you. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.